Hey yo, what is going on everyone? It is the Baby Legend back with another one versus all battle. So next up in this one versus everything battle, we're gonna be doing Vise Leopard. So yeah, Vise Leopard, the Hasbro one. And yeah, so in my upcoming videos guys, I'm gonna be doing like one versus all battle. So yeah, be prepared for that because like they're gonna be like almost like from 15 to 20 minutes long. But yeah, anyways, but yeah, without any further ado guys, let us begin. Vise Leopard's first opponent's gonna be Drain Fafnir, and we're gonna be hand speeding it. Well, it looks like Drain Fafnir is hardly spin stealing. Oh my goodness. Alright, so I guess Vise Leopard's gonna take the first one, but you know what? Let's go again. Probably I had a horrible hand spin. Oh my goodness, yo. What? I did not see what happened right there. So like I pretty much think Vise Leopard did that Valkyrie technique, like wing launch. You guys know what I'm talking about. Alright, so and this time Fafnir won. Up next is Maximum Garuda. What is he doing? Vise Leopard trying to act like a left spin by going the opposite direction. Get out. Oh yeah, I forgot to say the Forbidden Bay versus Vise Leopard, and the Garuda beats him. Outer Chronos Quadring Recolor. Okay, what happened right there? I did not see. Yeah, I can already tell that Vise Leopard's literally gonna lose most of these battles. And that's due to the the live frame. Actually, never mind. Guardian Kerbeus. And yeah, definitely Vise Leopard is literally gonna lose this one, so I can already tell that. And he does lose. Blast Genius. And there goes Vise Leopard trying to stall out Genius. I can see. Wow, I bet that was probably the longest like that Destroy Driver has like ride. That's like the longest that Destroy Driver has like gone around those ridges. Genesis Valtric Wave 2 Recolor. Ah. Jeez, I messed up. Alright, so there goes Vise Leopard again, and it looks like he couldn't ride on those ridges. And by the way, I flipped this frame to its attack mode. Which, wait, hold up. I think it's gonna beat Valtric right here. Never mind. Nightmare Luminor Ultimate Tournament Recolor. Alright. Bro, legit, that's like the longest I've seen Vise Leopard like riding on like with that Destroyer right there. So yeah, both of these have the Destroy Driver, and I think it's gonna be Vise Leopard by a freaking split second. Up next is Shoto Regulus. Oh my goodness, wow. Vise Leopard has to be a little careful. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me do it. I'm gonna like redo that battle again, cause like definitely he could have won against Regulus. My god. Like, what happened right there? Okay, and there goes Vise Leopard. Shining on materials. Yep, a materials runs out of stamina in the quicks. I wonder what would happen if I would put it on Cho Z Valkyrie. Genesis Valtryek Ultimate Tournament Recolor. Alright. Okay, hopefully that layer doesn't fly off. If it does, then we're gonna call it Revive a Valtryek. Oh wait, the reboot is already kicked in. Alright, but who cares? And it looks like it is gonna be Vise Leopard. Up next, Crusher Doomsizer. Oh my god, okay, alright. So Doomsizer giving a little boost to Leopard, I see. And Leopard lost a ton of stamina right there. Due to that, I was gonna say wall frame, but due to that lift frame. Up next, Surprise and Requiem. Jesus, yo. So I think Surprise and Requiem like hardly spin stealing, I see. Oh, my throat. It looks like probably Nevermind. So I guess Surprise and Requiem wins with spin stealing. Next is Kinetic Satum Ultimate Tournament Recolor. Super close to going into that pocket. Really hard hits, but it looks like that is gonna be Satum, and it was so close to bursting. Up next, Outer Chronos. So I put Outer Chronos on attack mode, but it looks like he's going into stamina mode. Wait, if he started in attack mode and if he's gonna finish off in stamina mode, that reminds me of something. El Drago Destroy. And that is Vise Leopard. Berserk Rockdevil Quad Ring Recolor. Yo, chill, Leopard, literally. And I knew that was gonna end up in a burst. Up next is Orichalcum. Alright, so it looks like Orichalcum did some Vise Leopard did some major damage to Orichalcum, but yeah, definitely Vise Leopard is winning this. It's losing this one. And yeah, he did. Surge Excalius, but it has the stock parts. Massive hit right there. Will it end in the... Oh my goodness. Holy cow. Wow, that got halfway. Okay. Tempest Wyvern Spin Shifter Recolor. Alright, so we have like both of these bases trying to stall out each other, but it looks like it's gonna be Vise Leopard. Up next is Boom Kowzar with Hunter Slingshot. Jesus, that was loud. Yeah, Hunter's Slingshot is like extreme, but like really faster. It's like extreme dash, because like you guys know extreme dash. Like, oh my god, I don't know who to give that one to. Up next is Drain Fafnir Spin Shifter Recolor. Yeah, definitely. I pretty much think Fafnir's gonna win this one. Up next, Surprise and Requiem as Spriggan Requiem. Holy cow, huge hit right there. Not gonna lie, like from this angle, Surprise and Requiem looks like Spriggan Requiem, like literally 100%, like literally. And that is Spriggan Requiem. Up next is Arc Balkesh. Why does he go into that pocket? Let me launch him a little bit slowly. That should do it. Yo, what's up with Balkesh right now? Holy cow. You guys did see that. Balkesh was like going like, you know, like that thing. Yeah. Really bugs me. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be Balkesh right now. And that is, wait up, Balkesh. Deep Chaos. Oh my god. And Deep Chaos giving birth. Surgic Scalius. Alright, so it looks like Scalius in the middle and the Leopard trying to stall him out, I see. I think this is gonna end up pretty good, I see. What? Alright, so that's gonna be Leopard. Twin Noctimus with a red Jaggy. I think it's gonna be Vise Leopard to get this round, I guess. Actually, never mind. Next, the stock Tempest Y-Run. Holy cow! Oh my gosh, that was one massive hit right there. I probably think it's gonna end up being a burst, but I think no. Actually, I think I was wrong. Christ Satan. One huge hit right there. Probably at this point, Christ Satan probably has like more than 2 clicks, I think. Burst him last second. Nope, it was really close. 1 click away. Up next, Nightmare Lunar as Nightmare Longinus. Oh my god, okay. I wanna see if those dragons move. Barely. Last but certainly not least, Genesis Valtryek Wave 1 Recolor. Alright, so it looks like Valtryek in the middle. And now it looks like Vise Leopard trying to stall out Valkyrie. Nevermind, looks like Genesis Valtryek trying to fight back with that reboot active, but it looks like it didn't work after all. Alright. Alrighty then, so now we have made it to the final results. So these are how many base Vise Leopard lost against. Actually, Vise Leopard won against 14 base. And Vise Leopard lost against 15 base, so almost more than half. So Vise Leopard pretty much took L's by, he literally lost. So Vise Leopard is like I don't know, like, man, I don't know like what to say. But if I had another SWITCHSTRIKE and the Vise Leopard could have won against, so it would be like a 50-50 chance that he's like quite good. But yeah, but the only mode change on this is just that lift frame. Yeah, that was like the only mode change for Cho-Z, where you can like flip the frame into whether you want it on defense or attack. But now you can honestly mode change it from the destroy driver. Anyways, but yeah, I'm gonna end it here. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and be sure to turn on the bell so you guys won't miss my upcoming 1 versus all battles. But yeah, but with that being said, guys, I'm gonna end it here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.